hip flexors, we're gonna do rows. Right? So we're gonna start this on page 104.
That's weird. That's weird.
Okay. So for hip flexors on page 104, what we're gonna do is have her in sitting. Okay. And I'm going to, I'll let you go. But you're going to stabilize the opposite thigh of the one that you're testing. Okay, so stabilize opposite thigh. That way when she's
Contralateral?
breathing, you can the contralateral. Okay, so that way you can have her not compensate, but also her feel a little bit more stable. So you can test either or. It doesn't have to be a specific left or right. But for Emily, I'm going to test her right. Okay. So I'm going to stabilize over the medial thigh of the left, and I'll ask Emily, could you bring your knee up towards your chest? Now hold it for me, and I'm going to apply some resistance, okay? So on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's how I would test her hip flexor.
Wait, you start her from there?
So I would have her come up to the position, and then I would hold her.
Oh, okay. So have her flex and then push down.
Because I want to see, can she move through the motion?
Okay.
Okay. So for hip extension, I'm gonna have her prone.
And do we have to say like 5 out of 5 or?
Yes.
Ooh.
Because I'll ask you that question.
I mean,
Most of you should-
everybody's gonna be 5 out of 5.
Okay. But yes, but I'll ask you, how would you write that? How do you rate that?
5 out of
5 out of 5. Because if you say 5, I'll say 5 out of what? Okay. So 5 out of 5 because we use the 5 square. So for hip extension, I'm going to have her in prone position. I want to make sure that everything is nice and extended. And I'm going to ask her if she can bring her leg up towards the ceiling, but I want to make sure that she keeps her knee straight. Okay. So I'm going to stabilize over at the pelvis and for left, right. So I'm going to resist medial thigh, okay, and I'm not going to have her lift all the way up. I'm just going to have her bring her hip up to like a comfortable position. So say, Emily, can you bring this leg up towards the sky for me? Good. Now can you hold it there? I'm going to apply some resistance. I want you to hold it. Count 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's how I would test her hip extension.
What if they kind of flex her knee? Like,
You want to make sure that it does stay as straight as possible. If you're doing hip, she might get a little bit of extension, of flexion, but it should not look flexed. Okay. And when you do this test, I do want you to wear professional dress. Okay, but also think about pants. So for me, this would not be a good outfit to wear if I was doing MMT on myself because they're tighter. So a little bit more of a loose pants. That way you can really support that motion.
No, I don't really have any loose dress pants.